Alright, so looking at this question for C4V point group, so we're asked to determine the irreducible representation in terms of the reducible. So basically we have the points, the character table to be here. So this is just a multiplication, and it is important to note that when you multiply two characters, let's say you multiply A2 and B1, your answer must be another member of the group. Let's say you multiply this one, your answer should be either A1, B2, or identity. If you multiply these two, your answer should be among these three. So let's say we have A2 times B1. That's simply E2C4 C2 2 sigma B and 2 sigma D, right? So we have it to be A2 and we have it to be B1. So what would the answer be? So A2 is 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1, and B1 is 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. So when you multiply 1 times 1, you have 1. 1 times minus 1, you have minus 1. 1 times 1, you have 1. This one minus 1. This one 1. So now let's look at this table. Where do we have 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1? So that's 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1. So the answer is B2. So also when you multiply B2 and B2, A2 and B2. So A2 and B2. So this one times this one should give us, let's write it here. It should give us A2 B2 should give us this times this we have 1. So this one times this one we have minus 1. So this one times this one we have 1, and this one times this one we have 1, and this one times this one we have minus 1. So basically you have 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. So that will be 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. So this one gives B2. 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. Oh, sorry, that's 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. So it gave B1. So A2 times B2 will give you B1. So now let's look at B1 and B2. So when you multiply B1, so B1, let's write it here, B1 B2. When you multiply, this is B1, this is B2. 1 times 1 1, minus 1 times minus 1, that's positive 1. 1 times 1, that's 1. This one times this, minus 1. This one times this one, minus 1. So let's look for it. Definitely it can't be these two again. So that's 1 1 1 minus minus. So that will be A2. So this one gives A2. So that's how to solve this.